Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening two XB Ford Falcons from the 2012 Mania series. So let's get straight into the first one here. It's in Spectra Flame Purple. It was also released as a Super Treasure Hunt for 2012 in this Spectra Flame Purple, but this is just the regular main line. Heaps of detail on these cards, and this is sort of when they started putting the cars and a bit more fun on the internet. So you can see the QR code there if you wanted to race it online and all that sort of thing. I don't think it works anymore because these such old cards, but it was pretty cool when it was sort of new technology and everyone was sort of getting into let's play with our toys online. Alright, let's get off that card. Yeah, look at it, that Spectra Flame Purple. It's got 5-spoke chrome wheels there. They're really nice. I'm really enjoying this car. It's got the GT 351 stamped on the side. Nice Hot Wheels logo on the rear on both sides. Just simple black and white lines on it. It's just perfect. And it's got that really nice grey silver. It's not grey, it's silver interior. And because it's an Australian car, it's a right-hand drive. So the steering wheel is on the right-hand side. Really nice car with the chrome bumpers having that chrome base. I like this one a lot. Check out the detailed views. Alright, now we've got it in the red, also released in 2012 in the Mania series. So actually the XB Falcon is a 2010 casting and there's been used quite a lot between 2010 and 2014, but we haven't really seen it since. It popped up once in the Hot Wheels Entertainment for Rosa Motorsport series in 2016, but I'd really like to see this one get a lot more use. It's a really cool Australian muscle car, and this one is no exception. You can see those chrome 5-spoke wheels on this one as well. Looks really nice. It's got the same tampos, same black and white stripes on the side, except it's in a red color, and it's got the black interior. Let me know what you think about this one. Alright, time to test them on the track. Now they're not Trackstar cars, but we thought we'd have a go anyway because I really like them and I wanted to see them go. So popped up that purple one, went around the track not too bad at all, lost speed completely, but you can see it still worked on the track quite nicely. So if it was on a long run, a couple of boosters, a couple of loops, I think it'd perform pretty well, although the boosters would have to be close together. Alright, let's check out the red one. Give the track a bit of a straighten up there, a bit rough, and I noticed it needed a bit of flaring. See, and the red one had a little bit more speed to it. Didn't go through the loop the second time, but the wheels make a lot of difference on both those cars. Alright everyone, big thumbs up, leave your comments down below. What XB Falcons do you have? Do you have the other colors, or maybe from the Hot Wheels Garage series, or the New Models series, or maybe you have got that Rosa Motorsport series released in 2016. Let me know in the comments below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.